Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. After that, you need to scroll down and click on Accessibility Features. Now click on Senior Mode over here and select this gray switcher in order to activate it. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is now on. If you wish to adjust all of its settings, you need to go back into the same settings section and manage all of them however you wish to, like display magnification or touch duration. If you want to disable Senior Mode, you can always do that by clicking on this blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!